Hello, and in this video, we're going to go through and get access to the Google Ads account. Very simple. Best ways to start is go to search, type in Google Ads. You'll then see a link here at the very top. Click on that, and then we will then be redirected to, my bad, this website. And so you'll likely not already be signed in, so you won't get redirected anywhere. So what we're going to do here is once we've come to this landing page, we're going to come to the top right and click sign in. Once we click sign in, we're then going to see, or we should be seeing, a variety of options. If we don't see anything, what we want to do is go to the top right and make sure we have the correct email address attached to the account. All right, once we've found the correct account, we're going to go through and click on the available property. In this case, you'll likely only have one of them. So we'll click on the Ad Labs Marketing for this in this case. Once that gets loaded up, once we're here, we're now going to go over to the tools and settings, which is a white wrench icon. Here, we're then going to go scroll right down and go to access and security. Now that we're in the access and security page, what we want to first do is go over to the security settings, as Google won't allow for you to add people that are outside of your account until you have their domain attached to your platform. So it's very simple. We're just going to go to security. We're then going to go down to this bottom section that says allowed domains. And for simplicity, we're going to have the Gmail domain. So we're going to do gmail.com. And then we're going to go down here and hit save. All right, so now we have Gmail as an allowed domain. So all we got to do now is go back over to users, click the big blue plus icon, and then put in the email address that we provided. So adlabsmarketingteam@gmail.com. And then for access level, it's always easiest if you could just send us admin. We're happy to take something less. I would recommend providing admin. And that way, in the event that we decide to move forward, we can immediately have access to everything. And then if for some reason we decide not to, then we can really easily remove our own access, just to simplify the entire process. So now we're going to click on the admin button and send the invitation. As you see here, the invitation will be sent, and then we will be getting a notification so we can access the page. At which point, we'll let you know that we've gotten access, and we'll start doing any audits or reviews of the account as necessary. Thank you, and looking forward to talking with you again soon.